Hi guys, it's Katya from FitInMobility, and in today's video I'm going to show you two very important exercises for strengthening our gluteus muscles. I don't know if you knew, but our gluteus muscles are very important for preventing lower back pain. And if you're already suffering lower back pain, you need to think of our gluteus, and not only gluteus, also the abdominal muscles, but this we cover in another video, so stay tuned. So the first exercise we're gonna do like this. You're just gonna lay on some flat surface, just like this. The upper leg goes in front. Then you're gonna lift it up in abduction and go in a hip extension, way behind as much as you can. Lift it up additionally. Toes are facing down. And now you feel how your gluteus muscle needs to suffer, how they need to have strength. Hold this position for about 10 to 15 seconds. It's not so easy as it seems. Hold it, hold it, hold it, and release. We're gonna do this one more time. So go in a abduction, hip extension, raise your leg up, toes are facing down. In addition, you can grab your hip. You can push your thumb a little bit in your piriformis muscle here. 10 to 15 seconds and release. Repeat this 6 to 8 times. So if you're suffering already from lower back pain, I recommend you do this exercise every day till your pain releases. Now I'm gonna show you the second exercise. We're gonna change the location and we are gonna do the second one. We need to clarify one thing. How do you actually know your gluteus muscles are weak? We're gonna do one simple test. You're gonna stand on one leg and look, if your weight shifts too much on the outside, then you know you have a weak buttock muscle. But with me, the right leg is pretty good. Let's see the left leg. With the left one, I need to shift a little bit more on the side to hold my balance. So my left gluteus muscle is a little bit weaker in comparison with the right one. So you can do your test at home to see which one is weaker. For this exercise, you will need a wall or a chair. We have this thing now here. Grab it. The inner leg goes up. So now we said I have a little bit of weakness on my left gluteus, and then you're gonna go with your right hip towards the wall and out again. So you're gonna squeeze your left buttocks and release it. You're gonna squeeze it and release it. And you're gonna repeat this move 10 to 15 times. You're gonna feel how your left buttock muscle is strengthening. You're gonna tie your core 10 to 15 times and you can change the sides. This is it, guys. Remember, core muscles, gluteus muscles to prevent lower back pain, to ease your lower back pain. So I wonder how you're doing. Comment below, like my video, subscribe to my channel so we stay in touch. Till next time.